Okay, hello students. So welcome back. Let us start with practice set 5.3. Okay, so let us start practice set 5.3. Okay, so last lectures I have discussed about the slopes. Okay, what do we mean by slopes and all the formulas and ideas relevant to 10th standard. Okay, so you should go through that lectures before starting the practice set. Okay. So let us start with this first question. Angles made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis are given. Find the slopes of these lines. First angle is 45 degree, second is 60 degree, and third is 90 degree. So remember, angles with the positive direction of x-axis. So that is the convention as I discussed in the lecture, right? So like, what was the formula for slope in terms of angle? It was tan theta. So slope, but when I say tan theta, what is the theta? Theta is the angle with the positive direction of x-axis. You can see that here. So that is the theta here. So here theta is 45. It is given as 45. The slope क्या हो जाएगा? Slope will be tan theta. Slope will be tan theta. And you have to find the value of tan 45 then. So what is the value of tan 45? You know it is 1. 9th standard में. Okay, चलो अगर if you don't know, let me just try to make a table quickly here for you people. So what was the table like? We had first sine, okay, then we had cos, of course sine of theta and cos of theta. So I'll make a short and quick table. Okay, and we want to find out tan here, tan of theta. When I say tan, so what were the angles we use normally? 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. These are in degrees. Remember, these are in degrees. Okay, these angles are in degrees. Okay, so what was sine 0, 0, then half, then 1 upon root 2, then root 3 by 2, and this is 1. Okay, then what was for cos? You know this, 1 root 3 by 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2, and 0. So tan, how do you find the value of tan of theta then? Just divide sine upon cos. So tan theta is what? What is formula for tan theta? Sine theta upon cos theta. You just have to divide. Simple, right? So tan 45, just check, tan 45 is sine upon cos, so it is 1. Okay, so that we have to do. Then what about second one? Slope for the second one. How will you find a slope for the second one? Slope will be what for the second one now? It will be again what? Tan of theta. So like, how do you find the tan theta value for the second one? So how do you find it? Tan of 60. Tan of 60. What is tan of 60? Check here. Sine upon cos. So it will be root 3 from the table. Then similarly third one. Third में क्या निकालना है? Tan 90. Of course, angle is in degree. Yeah? So that is a slope. So slope tan 90. So how do you find tan 90? It is actually coming out to be what? 1 upon 0. But division by 0 आएगा तो क्या आ जाएगा? What do we write? Write as not defined. We discussed this in last lecture, right? Division by 0 क्या रहता है? Not defined. So tan of 90 is not defined. Means the slope is also not defined. Means what? Tan theta तो slope है ना? तो slope भी क्या हो गया? Not defined. I hope it is clear. Okay. So this is a very simple question based on very simple formula. Okay. So I hope you got this.